find themselves behind them. Wow! I've seen our teddy! I've seen our teddy bear! Adugo! 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 I've seen our teddy bear! Come, come, come! My face is up! Please help me! Mommy! 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 Mommy, somebody to help me, please! Please, my face is up! Please! Mommy!
The same nightmare? Yes. Even during the day, it's getting too much.
That is because I've not been able to move past it. I need to know who she was. I need to know where she is. That woman must be the person that did this to me.
Instead of you to focus on the matter at hand, you're focusing on a mere dream. You're supposed to be focusing on your sister. Give it to her, hot, and you're here focusing on a dream.
What are you talking about?
What I'm talking about is that your sister took everything from you. Do I need to use Ekwe to knock it? She took everything from you. Look at you. You're miserable. Look at your face. Look at your whole life. You're miserable. You need to take everything back from her. Ada, your sister took your life. She took your peace, your happiness. She took everything that made you a princess. Look at you, living like a commoner. And you're comfortable. Fight back. Take it. Enough!
Father, I honestly do not know what you're talking about.
My princess, the pride and the beauty of Eziama kingdom. Are you trying to pretend not knowing what I'm talking about?
Father, can you just stop talking in riddles and speak clearly to your daughter?
Your father is not blind. I see them frequenting all the time in the palace. Sons of prominent men, eligible bachelors. I'm wondering why you have not, or what is keeping you from accepting one of those men.
Father, I knew exactly what you were talking about. I just wanted you to say it clearly.
I know you knew, but tell me, what is keeping you? Are you aware that any man that you marry will be the next king of this land and you the next queen? Are you aware?
Father, I don't understand. Are you forgetting about my elder sister, Adugo? She should be the next queen of this kingdom.
And where is Adugo?
My princess. Sorry, my princess. My princess, please now. Just give me a
Why did you touch me?
I'm sorry.
Why did you touch me?
You're the most
Don't you ever touch me again.
You're the most beautiful girl I've ever seen. And you
just hold it there. Don't even complete that stupid sentence. I don't ever want to see you in my life. Stay away from me. I won't want you again.
I'm sorry I provoked you. See, you are the best woman being I've seen.
Shut up!
No, I cannot. I used to dream about you every day. See, even that last time I dreamed that we were doing, and if you catch me, and I catch you, that That was it. I can't even. I can't stop.
Just get out.
Please, I cannot. Please, can you just see if you give me your attention? I'll be the happiest man alive. I just. Hi. That mama. That's the way they do their things. So. What's about the? I know I'll steal it again.
Oh, thank you so much. I really needed this. Thank you. Nana, whatever you're standing there for can just hold on, okay? I have a whole lot of work and they all have deadlines. So please, can you just leave?
You will have to forgive me in advance, my princess, because whatever I want to say cannot carry it over for another day.
Who is there? Guards! Can someone please come and bundle Nana out of this place? Please, I am busy.
For how long do you want to be angry with your sister? For goodness sake, she's your twin sister. And you both share the same womb. I know that she still loves you. You just have to look for a way to bring her back to the palace.
Nana, she chose her path.
I mean, everyone knows it. She does not want to have anything to do with us or the throne. What is it?
Why are you acting like you know my sister better than I do? What is it?
Have you tried finding out why she left? Have you tried to understand her pain? Because you cannot penetrate her without understanding her pain.
Enough. Can you stop it?
So you're a therapist now, I see.
And then everyone knows it already. Adugo does not want to come back to the palace. She doesn't want to have anything to do with us. I have tried my best. Do you want me to kill myself? What is it? What is it?
That's not what...
Leave. Nana, please, leave. I beg you. Nana, I said get out. Get out. And don't come back here till I ask you to. What is it? I don't want this. I can't even breathe in this palace. What? Come back here. Who are you? Who are you and what are you? Who made you chief advisor in this palace? Say, listen to me. Today should be the very first and the last time I will see you advising the president. If you try it again, Uncle is gone. Are you mad? Chief advisor. Is that why you approached me? How dare you? How dare you warn me? Listen. If you're done supplying the X you actually came here to do, I advise you leave before I descend on you mercilessly. You say? No, are you talking to me?
Yes. You heard me correctly.
And what even gave you the right to eavesdrop on my conversation with the princess? Are you insane? You are mad. You are mad. You know they say plenty of people are running mad, but few are in the house. See, let me tell you, among those people that are in the house. Because of this palace, that's what is covering you. If not, go. Are you mad? No, are you talking to me? You're lucky that the four walls of the palace is protecting you. No, your shoulder is raised because they gave you this cheap material. If you soak this material inside water, 2 seconds, the color will wash. See, let me tell you, if you try me next time, call the Segon. Ordinary maid. Maid. See, maid.
I might be an ordinary maid. But you are also an ordinary exceller.
With P degree.
P degree? Who cares about your P degree? Oh, you mean polytechnic degree? See, you better leave. Because you see this palace, this is my territory, and I am in charge here. So leave before I ask the guards to throw you out.
If I don't leave, go. If I don't leave, what will you do?
Okay.
Let's go. Bring it on now. Are you folding your hand? We need Bruce Lee now. Tell you that I've been learning it. Try it. I told you that you are very lucky. Follow me. Let's go outside. One-on-one. Try me.
Obviously, you're the mad person.
You are mad.
My friend, get out.
Come on, maid. Oh, yeah, pass. Go and mop the floor! Go and mop the floor. The princess is calling you.
Guards!
Go. Oh, yeah, call the guards.
Chatachi.
My queen.
Are you okay?
My queen, I'm not okay. I'm not okay. Is it not that stupid girl that used to call her Nana? The princess Amara personal maid. My queen, she said a lot of things to me. She said a lot of things to me. She said she can ask the guards to flog me. Look at me now. Now she can ask the guards to flog me.
She did what?
She said evil mean things to me.
How dare she say such a thing to you? You know what? Don't worry. I will personally deal with her. Huh?
My queen Saka. Yes, because I told her that I can fire her. She told me that she can tell you to stop bringing me to the palace. So Saka, so that I'll tell her that I have power.
Chetachi, calm down. We'll talk about this later. I'll take care of her. Just go for now.
What? What are you doing here?
Adugo,
What are you doing here?
I'm sorry, I was waiting. I didn't know you would come back so soon.
You were waiting. Are you that jobless?
No, I'm in love with you.
You are so lazy. Listen, it's only a lazy man that will sit down here stalking me. What is it?
Why are you being so rude?
Oh, I'm rude now, eh? What are you doing here? Huh? Why are you a nuisance in my life? You are constituting nuisance. Why?
I'm sorry if I'm intruding, but I can't stop thinking about you. I try to stop, but I cannot.
One advice, delete your memory. Get out. Get out!
Is it a crime to be in love?
Yes!
Hey.
You again? What are you doing here?
Please, if you want me to kneel down, please.
I kneel it first.
Help me. I just want to beg you to help me talk to her. I love her so much. I can't stop thinking about her. I've tried. Emma, even when I'm eating, I'm thinking about. I can't even eat. I'm dreaming. I'm thinking about her. You know, when you love someone, you're just confused. You don't even know what to do. That's what's happening to me.
It's very good. But I want to tell you something. Did you see that shoe? Did you see the height of the shoe? You know that shoe have class. You cannot just come and put your leg in any shoe. This particular shoe, the class is very high, way above you. So go and look for your class. Go and look for your class. If I come out here and see you, I'll pour you water. I will pour you water. You're still there. If I go in and come outside, I will pour you water. You know me very well.
Hey, these people, Hey, even this one.
I wish you were there, Dugo. I wish you were there to see what your sister was saying about you. She was saying so many mean things to you. She said you're mad. She said you're crazy. She said you're a wizard, you're a witch. She said so many things that I cannot even remember. Even when her personal maid was telling her to come and see, she said she cannot come and see her dead body. That you're a wizard. That you're evil. That she cannot see evil. My eyes will not behold evil. That's what she said. That your sister is very bad, though. That your sister is very bad.
What did I ever do to her? What did I do to Amara to deserve this? What have I done?
Is that all you have to say? Instead of you to charge up, as I'm talking to you now, you're supposed to be charging up. You know, enter the house, pack your things, let's go back to the palace. Strategize on how to deal with her. You're here crying.
She's my sister. What do you expect? She's my
sister who hates you. A sister who wants to kill you. She said if she see you right now, she will kill you. That's the one you're calling a sister. You're just a weakling.
I am not a weakling. I am Adugo, princess of Isiama Kingdom. I am a warrior. I am brave. I am a blue blood.
I am not a weakling.
Prove it. Prove it.
The crown feels heavy on a heart so torn. Dreams once golden, bruised and worn. Silence echoes in the palace halls, standing alone. In the throne of tears, there is a flame. Through all the pain, there's a rising. Bruised the soul and broke the wings, but still there is hope. When shadows bow before the light.
Is that not the cross princess of our land?
Princess? Who? This one?
She's nothing to compare to her beautiful, elegant sister, the great Princess Amara. What is she doing here?
What else? She's cursed. The throne has rejected her. She's now an outcast.
Look at her face, looking scary monster. Please come, let's go.
She and her sister are just like the beauty.
Come, let's go. Let go sleep.
My baby. You're tired?
Mom, I'm
How
so
was your day?
Mom, my day was so exhausting. You never told me this was going to be this stressful.
Oh, come on, my love. You will get used to it. With time.
I don't think so, Mom.
Right?
I don't think I can ever get used to this stress. I just feel my twin sister needs to be here. Because if she's here, all of this will be less stressful for me.
But she's not here. And you heard her. She says she doesn't want to have anything to do with the affairs of this palace. We need to respect her choice.
Mom, you're so calm about all of this. Like, you just gave up easily on your daughter. I feel we should try hard and bring her back to the palace.
You think she wants to come back? Come on, Amara.
Mom, if you have given up on your daughter, I have not given up on my twin sister. And I will do everything possible to bring her back.
So that she'll come and mess things up as usual?
Mom!
But that is it.
What are you doing here?
I got this for you.
As what? As in we are lacking gift or something. No, hear that boy.
Chitachi, don't worry, okay? I can handle this.
Handle it. Handle it, because if you don't handle it, me, I will handle it too.
Adugo, see, it's just a harmless gift. I just want us to be friends. I know I'm not up to your standard. I know that's how you see me. I don't want you to deny me of this friendship. I just want you to be close to me, that's all.
What's your name again?
Onyebuchi
Never
Botwa.
mind. Please. I want to be as polite as possible. I don't want friends. I don't even want a friend. She's enough for me. Have you heard me? Just leave me alone.
Can you just...
I don't want any of your gifts.
Oh, okay, just accept this gift. I will never bother you again.
What is that? What?
Teddy.
Now get out. Leave! Leave!
Okay, sorry.
Get out! Get out of this place! Useless boy! Teddy. Teddy's what? No sense. You're giving me that cursed doll. Chetachi, can you imagine? Can you imagine what this fool gave me?
Thank you so much.
Thank you for what? Leave my house! In whose house do you want to take water? Eh? You want to drink water in my house? Will you come and drink now? Did I tell you to come here? I never told you to show your nasty face in my house. Get out!
I do go.
What? Amara Ogini, what is it? I told you never to show your possessed baby doll's face in my house. And you too, get out!
My princess, your twin sister only came to know how you're doing.
Eh? Who is this one? Listen, if you don't leave this place, I'll throw this flower vase on your head. Get out! Go to your palace. Go to your palace! Leave me alone. This is my house. Okay. No, she's possessed. No, wait. Nena! Wait there now. Wait there. Get out! Rich kid. Rubbish. What did I do? You want to take what in my house?
I want you to stay away from your sister, but you wouldn't listen. Stop going close to her, because she's going to destroy you. You have a good heart. Amara, you are nothing like Adugo. She has a bad heart.
Mom, Adugo can never hurt me. I know that for sure.
There you go again. I give birth to both of you so I can say this. Adugo is your blood. Yes, we're not disputing it. But she is capable of taking a life.
Mother, how can you say that about your own daughter?
You think I'm happy? Do you think I am happy that a child I carried turned out to be a monster?
Mom, can you just stop it already?
But she is.
No. My twin sister is not a monster.
She is.
She is not, Mother. I know the scar turned her into a bitter lady, but she can never hurt me and she can never take a life. I know that for sure.
Listen, Amara. I don't want to lose you. Whatever you do, be careful around her.
You are so unbelievable. What kind of a man are you? What is it?
A man in love. A man that cannot function without you. Adugo, please give me a chance. See, at the end of the day, if you don't want me, if you don't feel like having anything with me, I will disappear and never return.
What is wrong with you? Have you been deaf all this while? Huh? Okay, wait. Do you even have a job? Because it's only a jobless man that will move around hounding a girl in the name of being in love. Do you have a job? Leave me alone. I'm not interested. Ha!
That's okay. Thank you for your time. I'm sorry for bugging you. I'm sorry for disturbing you. I will try my best never to come close to you again. Thank you.
So he left. I thought he was going to sleep here. We don't get new tenants. I thought he was going to sleep here. Wow, so he left.
I think I was too harsh on him.
You were not. You could give me a handshake. You were not. You gave it to him the way he deserves it. Yes, so because he's only a jobless man that will leave what he's supposed to do and come here every day. He's in love and after love. It does not even bring money.
Cool. I shouldn't have. He sounded so broken.
A broke man is supposed to be broken.
I mean, his voice. I should have said something mild and calm. I shouldn't have. I don't even know what I'm thinking.
Why are you not bothered about Adugo coming back to his palace?
Excuse me? What have I not done? She made her choice. So we have to respect that.
Adugo is your daughter. You should be out there looking for a way to bring her back to the palace, not the other way around.
Are you the one saying this?
You keep on discouraging people that want to bring her back. Is it good?
What have I not done to make her come back? Did you travel? No. You are here with me and you saw everything. Oh, because I am her mother, I should kill myself in the process? Come on, my king. Adugo is an adult. She's just like a prodigal child. She will return when she's exhausted.
Go and speak to her.
To do what exactly?
It is her time she returned. It is her time she returned.
To come and do what?
And take her responsibilities.
Oh, and you think she's ready to do that? Don't bother yourself. The more you push on it, the more she's been withdrawn. It's very simple. She's also an adult. What else do you want me to do? No, what?
Do you want to come inside?
I'll be glad to be welcomed into your humble abode. Wait,
You're very funny.
you can laugh this much? This is me trying to come to terms with your smile, and then you capped it all with your beautiful smile. So I can't stop loving you. I love you more.
You shouldn't. You shouldn't love me.
Why? How'd you go? See, I love everything about you. I love your smile, your beautiful eyes. You mean the world to me. You gladden my heart. You make me feel whole. And you're the best thing that has ever happened to me. See? That's why I can't let you go.
I will break your heart.
How'd you go? Then I will continue to love you with the tiniest pieces of my broken heart.
You have your way with words.
Oh.
Shall we?
How could you? You're a princess, for God's sake. How could you stop so long? Can you just imagine yourself?
Chetachi, can you calm down? It's not that deep. It's just a friend.
Did you see the way you were sheepishly smiling there? This is the first time I'm seeing you this happy.
Well, that's because I've never met someone who has ever made me feel that way. Yes.
When did this start? When did this start? Because I know that both of us has been asking this guy to leave you alone. So when did this start?
Calm down. Why are you shouting? Well, for a while now, I've been pushing him away. Can you let me talk? For a while now, I've been pushing him away. I didn't want anything. I've actually been struggling with, the emotions and all, but for some reason, I just can't help it again. I don't know why. I don't even know what I'm saying. I cannot explain it.
It's finished.
What?
Is your father back from US?
Not yet, Your Highness. He still has some activities he's doing over there.
So why are you here? Are you ready to take things to the next level with Princess Amara?
Your Highness, I really wish your daughter would grant me the honor to make her my wife.
Interesting. So why are you here, if not because of her?
I have a friend who wants to establish a multi-million naira business in your kingdom.
Oh, that's wonderful. Is he from this kingdom?
Your Highness, I'm here to stand on his behalf so that you grant me the approval to bring him to you.
Before we continue, let me ask you this question for the last time. Are you still interested to marry my daughter, Princess Amarachi?
Your Highness, I've always been ready. And I'm still ready to settle down with your daughter. But the ball remains in our court.
Consider it done. Yes, just go back and come with your people. She will tell you the rest.
Your Highness, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm grateful for giving me the opportunity to marry your daughter. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. May you live long, Your Highness.
Thank you.
Please have a seat. I'll be back.
Thank you so much.
Abu, what are you doing here? I thought Adugo made it clear you should not come to her house again. What are you doing here? Yakinaba, Ona?
She invited me.
You a liar. Dirty liar, that is who you are. I know Adugo, she cannot invite you to this house. Yakinaba, please, come and go.
Wait. Why do you hate me so much? What is my offense?
I don't hate you. I hate your guts. That's what I hate. Because look at you. Look at where you are. Look at where Adugo is. Omachironona is not a pair. It's not pairing. Negi, inafo, fukenobi. It's not the chase that we're married, no. See, let me tell you, come and go. Biko, come and go. Look at Adugo, standard, and you're looking lower up and looking for standard. Are you not greedy?
Do you know what love is? I love her. That is all that matters.
It's my turn to ask. Do you know what hate is? She hates you. That is all that matters. She does not love you. Come and go. Biake inaba. Hey, all these poor people, you pull like big things, oh. Okay, inaba, stand up and come and be going now.
Hey, just respect yourself.
Greetings, great king of Eziama Kingdom. May your reign be long, my king. It's an honor to be in your presence.
Who are you?
My name is Onyebuchi Ike. I'm in a relationship with your daughter, Adugo.
What do you mean?
Adugo and I love each other so much.
You mean you are dating my daughter? My princess?
Yes, my king. I love her with my life.
Give him an appointment. Young man.
My king.
See me at the palace tomorrow.
Thank you, my king.
And where is she?
She's inside. May your reign be long, my king.
Father, she had the audacity and the guts to send you out of her house and you did nothing?
And what do you want me to do? The day she poured you water on your head, what did you do?
Father, this is different. You are her father, the great king of Ezema Kingdom. How could she do this to you?
Yes, you are correct. Who happens to be her father? But don't allow that to upset you, okay? I have found a way to bring her close.
What are you talking about?
I saw a man at her place. She has a man.
Hey, Father, please hold on. Adugo has a man. I don't understand, Father.
Yes, she is dating. She has a man.
Father, this is not possible. The Adugo that we know can never let a man talk to her. Talk more of letting a man dating her. This is impossible, Father.
The young man will come to palace tomorrow.
Father, do you even know this man?
Do you know where he's from? Like, who is he? Do you trust him?
Let's wait until tomorrow.
Thank you so much, my king. My queen. It's an honor to be here today.
And who are you? I mean, who are your parents?
My queen, that question is not necessary. Please, calm down. Young man, you said you are in a relationship with the princess.
Yes, my king. I love her so much.
Does she love you?
Yes, my king. The feeling is mutual.
What makes you think that she loves you? And how are we sure that you are telling the truth?
My queen, I have no reason to lie to the king. She meant the world to me.
What exactly do you want? Money? How much?
My queen, Lolo, calm down. Allow this young man to prove himself. I will only believe you in one condition. If you will make the princess to come back to the palace, then I will believe you.
You couldn't go ahead or that. Let me bundle this. It's fling that will fling you because you're not taught to bundling. I'll just fling you. Give me other, let me fling this idiot out of this place.
Adugo, love of my life, my strength, my joy. I love you with everything that is alive in me. Please, make me the happiest man in the whole world and marry me.
Don't say yes. Don't say yes. This thing is I don't condemn. As I'm saying, it is prison forever. Jerunga. Don't say yes.
Please, Onyebuchi, you need to leave and stop embarrassing yourself.
Adugo,
what is all this?
I want to embarrass myself for your sake. Please.
Go inside. Thank you. What? Home. Stand up now. Me, I'll push you. I'm not Adugo.
You do what?
You go stand, you no go stand. Oh yeah, leave. Shit,
don't stop pushing me.
You don't even know how to pronounce the push very well.
Do you know how much I paid to iron my shirt? Don't try it.
It's already smelling all over you, poverty, because Big Man cannot complain how much he's in ironing clothes. My friend, get out of it, I will sweep you.
You're just
I will sweep you. If I reach where you are, I will sweep you. I will sweep you.
Is everything all right?
Everything is not all right. I ran a background check on the young man that came to seek for Adugo's hand in marriage the other day. I found out that their family is used to attracting and marrying a successful woman, meaning that they will end up not doing anything meaningful with their lives. He is a gold digger.
But I told you not to do that.
But why won't I?
You know what is at stake.
Oh, come on.
Now listen, if really our daughter loves him, that will bring her back to the palace. And I will not hesitate to give them my blessing.
Of course you're not going to give them your blessing. No. Because I will not allow that low life marry my daughter.
There you go again.
I won't, my king. What are we talking?
My dear, it is not in your place to decide.
My love, just leave me alone.
You know I cannot.
Do you want to eat me up?
Yes, I cannot take my eyes off you. Look at your eyes, your skin, everything about you. It's messing me up.
Tell me, why do you love me? Hey, before you say anything, I need you to think it properly. Alright? If you mess up with me, I will end your existence.
Of course, I will not mess up with you. Look at you. You mean the whole world to me.
Why do you love me then? I need you. I'm giving you 5 minutes to think about all this. What do you want from me?
I want you. It's you I want. Everything about you. See, listen. It will be a dream come true to spend the rest of my life with you. I want you. I need you. Everything.
So I was talking about this one.
Okay. I think I prefer this to this. My king. Why are you so excited?
What a good news. I have a good news.
Father, I have not seen you this excited in a while.
You are very correct. Your twin sister, the princess of this great land of Eziama, has accepted to get married and return back to the palace.
What?
So it's true.
What is going on here? Why the energy in this place negative? Why?
Well, congratulations, Father. Because that's what you've always wanted.
Wait. Am I missing something here?
Of course you are missing something, my king.
I thought we all wanted her to return back to the palace.
Back to the palace?
Yes, of course.
So that she could come and mess things up. Or have you forgotten her character?
What do you mean?
Oh, come on. Adugo is my daughter. Yes. I miss her. But I like the quietness here. We can reach her anywhere she is.
What?
Please, we can reach out to her there.
You sent for me, what is it?
Watch your tone, young lady, and keep it down.
If you don't want to say why you asked me to come here, I will leave.
I give you this little tax. Just this little, and you failed me. How could you allow such a thing to happen? How?
Why are you complaining? You've always wanted her inside the palace, so why are you complaining?
You know why I wanted her back, not with her husband. Do you know her returning with her husband, what it means? Do you?
I don't care. I've done my own part. This is yours. Do it.
Now listen. Make sure she's not getting married. Do everything within your power to make sure she's not getting married to that man.
If you just score, I go happy die. I go happy.
Guy, you sure me say if this thing enter, guy, you no go chop a load.
Come. I heard that the scared princess is coming back to the palace today.
That's not true. Wait, who told you that?
The scared princess can never return back to this palace again.
Eh? I heard it from the queen herself. She asked us to get ready, that the scared princess is returning to the palace.
Oh my God. And we have to leave this palace. I don't want to die.
Is it that bad?
Why is that good?
You haven't heard?
Heard what?
I heard that she's a monster.
What?
She nearly killed a maid here before.
What? Yes, it's true. I heard it as
She will go Ziegi.
And that was why they sent all the maids and us
Hey.
and they employed us.
What are we going to do now?
We have to run away.
Run away? Run away, Kwa.
Yes, but that is option.
Run away to where?
Hey, the queen is coming. Queen.
The prodigal daughter of Asiama is back. And what's for? Adugo, what are you doing here?
The whispers are true. So you don't want me coming back to take over my birthright? You feel threatened, don't you?
And what nonsense birthright are you talking about? Adugo, you do not belong here any longer. This palace has been so peaceful without you, and I suggest you leave now and never come back.
In your dreams.
You have no place here. And for mercy, I will repeat myself. Leave now and never return.
And I must remind you that I am still the Ada. And as such, any man I get married to automatically becomes the king. I found a man to marry, and that will put you right where you belong.
That will never happen. And you know it.
We shall see to that. Come. Hey, come here! Call me the handmaidens. Tell them to come make me look like the true first twin of Isiama Kingdom. Shoo, shoo, shoo.
Out, out!
Yes. No. Everything is finished.
Father, I have stood beside you. Through the storm, I stood. I stood even when my legs were too weak. But it's obvious that you've been longing for her all this time. That's the reason why you've never been happy. No matter how I try, how I walk, how I do everything you say, and yet you long for her. But I'm done. This time I am done.
No, you know I love you both equally.
That's a lie, Father! And you know it!
What is going on? And what is your problem?
Father, you need to choose between Adugo and I. And you have to do it now.
Will you calm down? Adugo is your twin sister.
A twin sister that wants me dead, Father! She wants me dead!
Who told you that? How can you even assume that? She loves you.
Father, you have been fooled by her deceit. And it's already so obvious that you chose her. You prefer her, don't you?
You're still looking pretty. I'm so glad to have you back.
But I can't say same about my twin sister.
Adugo, do not let your sister's action get to you. She is nothing but desperate. She thinks that she deserves this throne more than you. So ignore her.
I don't know why she thinks she's better than I am. But I'm here to set the record straight.
Exactly. That's the spirit. Whatever you do, you need to be wary of your sister. Yes. Because from what I have seen her do and the things she keeps saying, she is ready to go extra mile to make sure you are out of the way.
Cowards! Look at me! Take a look at me! You can't even look at me! Hypocrites! That's who you are! Oh, you think I don't know? You think I don't know that you prefer my sister to me?
Stop it, you bitter princess! Stop it! Did you think the world revolves around you?
Did you just talk to me?
I am talking to you, Adugo. I am talking to you!
Oh, you are talking to me!
Oh yeah, leave my princess. Leave, everyone. Leave.
My princess. My princess, please, I want you to calm down, please.
If you do not leave here this minute, you will have yourself to blame. Get out!
I just want you to know that your sister really loves you. Don't misunderstand her. You two can continue fighting each other.
Are you deaf? I said, get out! Go!
I know you, my princess. I know you're not a bad person. I know I may not really understand what you're going through, but anger is not the way to solve anything. My princess, please.
Did you see the way she spoke to the king? King, you! I am so scared of her.
I said this before, and I'm saying it again. Let's run away from this palace before she kills somebody. She's a beast.
See, I'll try as much as I can to avoid her. If Laura, you see this job, I need it. I'm not going anywhere.
Now look. You saw what happened today in the palace?
Yes, Mama.
Did you see it?
Yes,
it's just a tip of an iceberg. If you value yourself, if you want to be insane, behave.
Yes.
Stay in your lane. Now get out.
My princess, can we at least talk? I'm your father, and I love you so much. Yes.
Love? You call this love? You only loved me when I was perfect, without the scars.
That is not true. I love you no matter what.
When last did you look at me, Father? Tell me. Everyone suddenly sees me as some cursed, scarred, unfit princess. And you, all of a sudden, you stop introducing me to your friends, taking me out for functions. You changed. You changed, Father. And then you call this love? I'm just one of your regrets. Just say it.
I was not introducing you so that I will not expose you much. I felt you prefer it that way. Yes.
You felt? Nobody ever asked me how I felt. No one ever asked me if I wanted such pity. The isolation, everything. No one ever asked me, including you.
What have you done that put Father in a terrible mood? What have you done?
Get lost.
You are the one that should get lost and forgotten forever. What is wrong with you? Adugo, what have you done? What have you done that turned Father into a very bad mood? Adugo, what is wrong with you? Ever since you came in here, you have been causing trouble and havoc. What is your problem?
Well, this is just the beginning. I will make all of you to feel double of the pain you all made me feel in the past.
Adugo, why are you this bitter? Was it anyone's fault that you ended up with a scarred face?
And shut up! How dare you! Stay off my path. I will not spare you.
How do we go ahead?
Say, I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
When are you planning on meeting my father?
Today, if it's okay by you.
It's perfect. Oh my God, I can't wait for our marriage.
So good. I will be the happiest man on earth.
And I'll be the happiest woman on earth. Are you sure about this?
Right now.
Right now?
I should just go.
Still, I'm not joking.
I'm joking. I'm the happiest man alive now.
Today? Mom, are you just going to sit there and do nothing as usual?
What do you have me do, Amara? What? In as much as I don't support her, she's still my daughter. There are little or nothing I can do.
Mom, can't you see? The man doesn't love her. That thing does not love her. He's just there because of what he stands to gain. Can't you see? Can't you just talk to father about this?
Oh, you think I've not spoken to your father about this? Adogo is his favorite. He will do whatever she wants. You are the one that's supposed to fight for your right. Because this is your fight.
Sorry, Mom, are you trying to say I should fight my sister?
You are the only one who can stand up to her. So you have to do everything you can to defend the interest of this household. You are the same one. She's insane. Aren't you getting it?
How are your parents?
They are doing great, my king. They sent their regards.
That's good.
Oh, my king. I'm actually here to know when it will be convenient for me to come with my people for proper introduction.
Why so soon?
My king, I felt there is no need waiting.
It's okay. I'll be back. Okay?
All right, my king.
Hello?
Good afternoon, my princess.
Wow, wow, wow. You're quite handsome. My sister does sure have good taste.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And I must say, you are very pretty and you are the perfect definition of a princess.
Thank you. Now I know why my sister fell in love with you.
I love good women and of course your sister is a good woman.
Good woman? Okay, if you say so.
Yeah, I mean, it's quite an interesting one.
I see. Why are you here alone? Where is she?
No, I'm here to see the king.
Oh. Okay, you know what? If you need anything, if you want to go somewhere, if you have questions to ask, just ask me. You can call me, you can visit anytime, okay? You're my type of man. And I like you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I should be on my way now.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, I will be on my way now. Have a nice day.
Dreams once golden, bruised and worn. Silence echoes in the palace halls.
Yeah, hold on. Oh,
Why did it take you this long to open the gate now?
sorry about that.
Who do we have here?
You catch him again. Come back. You know your own 419, you don't name it very well.
Chita, what is the problem?
Chita doesn't have a problem, but I think you are the one that have a problem here.
Chita, the thing is that you have refused to understand that I love Adugo and I mean well for
Shut
her.
up! Shut up! You love who? See, let me tell you. I can see through you. I have eyes here. I have here. I have here. You can deceive everybody in this palace. But you see me, Cheta, you cannot deceive me. But the problem here is that you're a fool. I'm sorry, I'm not sorry. You're a fool. How can you come to dig for gold? You now deviated and went to dig gold demon and be cocoyam.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
You're even dumb too. Okay, let me break it down for you. So you don't know that Princess Adugo is iron condemned. Chaff, only for GMA. Princess Amara is the real deal here. You don't know. So you want to tell me that you don't know that Princess Amara is the real deal? She's the one to take over from her father. If you marry her now, automatically you are the king. So you don't know.
That is a lie.
Oh. That's not true. Ask Princess Adugo.
You have touched lives of many people in this community. Yes. No. Okay, I will call you back. Let me call you back.
Good afternoon, Father.
Good afternoon, my princess. So how did it go?
Everything was perfect. We had the meeting, the negotiations, everything was done. But Father, during the meeting, I was just wondering how my great king, who had such important meetings and negotiations, to that thing I saw on my way out, that low life. Father, that is a big risk. I mean, the whole establishment of this kingdom to that thing.
Hey! Watch your mouth. I won't warn you again, Amarachiku. Watch your mouth.
Adugo, do you actually think that thing loves you? I mean, it's so obvious that he is with you because of what he stands to gain. He knows when he marries you, he's going to become king.
In other words, you're trying to say that I'm too ugly to be loved.
Adugo, please.
No, tell me! Say it already!
My words, okay? It is glaring that he's a gold digger. Can't you say it?
Don't you ever call him a gold digger! He is not!
I will call him that because that is exactly what he is. And the earlier you wake up from this illusion, the better for you. Excuse me.
Silence echoes in the palace halls, standing alone. In the throne of tears, there is a flame. Through all the pain, there's a rising. Bruised the soul and broke the winds, but still there is hope. When shadows bow before the light, and the wounded heart begins to fight, every sorrow and every vow becomes the glory.
My princess, I'm very fine, thank you.
Leave us.
How is my princess?
She's fine. Did she tell you that I am going to be the next queen of this land?
No, I mean, we never discussed anything like that. Is she not the first daughter?
Things changed when she was away. So father said when I get married, I will be the queen. So that's why my father allowed you to marry her. So the pains won't be too much on her.
Dreams once golden bruised and worn. Silence echoes in the palace halls, standing alone. In the throne of tears.
cheap sluts, prostitutes. Why did you go close to my man? Huh? Why?
What man are you talking about? The piece of trash? You call that a man? That worthless thing?
Oh, now he is worthless. Yet you couldn't take your filthy, stinky, cheap, slutty hands off him. How dare you?
Adugo, how dare you for bringing in the riffraff into this family?
Are you so desperate of yourself? What's wrong with you? Now listen to me. The next time I see you an inch close to my man, I would decorate this Barbie doll face of yours and make it even worse than mine. He won't.
For shame on you. How could you be so desperate to bring a low-life, black thing into this family?
Are you not ashamed of yourself? How could you belittle yourself that much? I thought you said you don't want that young man.
Father, I want him now. I was wrong. I want him and I must get him. Come on, who's not to want about him? He's handsome, dashing, tall. I want him and I must get him.
Amarachi, stop this spinning.
I will not, Father. The young man will have to choose between Adugo and I.
Have you gone nuts?
Yes, I have.
You are disappointing me. If you can't handle something as little as this, how would you be able to handle this kingdom if it's been handed over to you?
Enough. Mother, I've been a pawn in your game for so many years. You're blaming me, really? You couldn't handle these girls when they were little. So what makes you think you can handle them now?
Will you shut your mouth? How did you speak to me in that manner? What gives you the... Just shut up.
You know what? Check up. I'm done.
Chetachi! We have to achieve this. How could she be done? We have to...
My princess, I'm very scared for you. All this ill treatment from the palace, I don't like it.
Wait, Chetachi. Can you speak to me in plain language? Why are you so concerned? Why are you scared?
My princess, you need to run away from this kingdom. Yes, you need to go very far. You need to leave this kingdom. It's not safe for you. Your sister told me that she's ready to kill you. In fact, she has planned it already. She just executes it.
Well, then she should be the one to run away. Because I'm going nowhere. This is my place. I'm here to take my rightful position. I'm not going anywhere.
She's very serious, oh. My princess, you know you've not been in this palace for a very long time. She's now everybody's favorite. You need to go.
I'm not a coward, Chetachi. I will not run. I will stay here and fight for my place. Tell her that. Is that why you're scared? Please.
I feel so rejected by the people I love so much. By my family. I don't know what I've ever done to them, but I don't know if I can continue this.
You have me now, okay? I will always be here for you. We are in this together. Okay?
The way she hates me and despises me, I don't know, it still marvels me. This is someone I love so much. This is my twin sister. Why would she be doing this to me?
One thing you need to know is, very soon, you will become the queen after we get married. And she'll have no choice but to respect you. So you see? So don't let it weigh you down.
But I don't even want to be queen. I never wanted any of this. I don't want this. I just want us to get married and go somewhere else so that no one knows us. I don't want this. I don't want to be queen.
You are not being serious, right? You're joking?
I'm very serious. I've never admired any of this. That was why I left in the first place. I don't want this, and I came here only because we want to get married. And after the marriage, we can just go. Let's just go out of town somewhere, run away and start up our family. I don't want to stay here with people that don't love me. I don't want to stay here.
The crown feels heavy on a heart so torn. Dreams once golden, bruised and worn. Silence.
Can you imagine everything that I've labored for? What will I be doing with her if not because I want to be the next king of this town? Now she wants to ruin everything. I need a plan B. I can't just lose everything just like that. No.
You know, say you get wahala.
Tachi, please. Not today. Please.
You must not be rude now. You know I'm always on your side, so why? Come now. If I stop you like this, you should know that it's good news.
What is it?
I want to tell you that Princess Samara likes you so much. In fact, she loves you.
How did you know that, and why would you say such?
Ojugo. You know I come in and go out of this palace all the time. It's just like my second house. So I know what happens here. In fact, she told me if she's sleeping, she's dreaming of you. If she's eating, she's even seeing inside the plate of food. If she's inside the toilet, she's seeing you. Anywhere, everywhere, she's seeing you.
Chitachi. Are you even sure of what you're saying? Because it seems to me that you are trying to pull my legs.
Have I given you fake news before? This is legit news.
So, can you lead me to her? Please help me meet her.
Let me raise my shoulder pad first. When I'm ready, I will tell you.
Here's me saying thank you.
You're welcome.
You are an amazing person.
Don't mention.
Thank you.
Mr. Lover, sorry, 419.
That is what I am talking about.
Is everything okay?
Amara, I am scared. I'm really scared. Do you two want me to die untimely? I am tired of all the fighting.
Mom, this is Oladugo's fault. You know it has nothing to do with me.
Please. You have to leave the palace for now. I had this dream. It was terrible. I don't want anything to happen to you. Just travel abroad. For now, please.
Mom, I can't. I cannot run away because of Adugo. I can't do that. No.
I had a dream where she stabbed you to death. And you know how my dreams always come to pass. Amara, please. You have to listen to me, please.
I will kill her before she does that. She will not dare. Mom, I cannot run away. I am not a coward, please.
Can't you listen to your mother? Can't you?
My princess, this young man requested to see you.
Okay, thank you for bringing him to me, Chita.
Yeah, that was it.
Thank you, my dear.
So tell me, how may I help you?
First off, I want to start by saying that I am very sorry for the way I insulted you the other day. I didn't mean it that way. And the fact that I fell in love with you the very first day I set my eyes on you. But I couldn't tell you because of you. Your sister.
Sorry, just hold on. Please, can you repeat what you said? I wasn't really paying attention, please.
I fell in love with you the very first day I set my eyes on you.
I thought you loved my sister and you both are to be engaged, and
Trust me, I was with her because I felt pity for her. I can't get married to her and still be in love with you. It doesn't make sense.
You're right. Well. Hope you had it. The low life you wanted to ruin everything for. Look at the street rat you wanted to fight me for. Get up! Get up! The filthy thing you wanted to fight me for. Have you heard it? You heard it from his filthy mouth. Leave here. Get out! I said leave before I change my mind. Rubbish!
I've succeeded in turning them against each other. Now Adugo believes Amara is after her life. And Amara believes Adugo is after her life.
Beautiful. Beautiful. You've done great. Thank you.
I've played my part. The ball is in your court. I'm tired of living like a servant.
Please, not to mention. Listen, from henceforth, I will do the rest.
The ground feels heavy
Thank
on
you.
a heart so torn. Dreams once golden bruised and
Princess, I want you to
worn.
stop crying. Please, you have to calm down. My princess, are you still crying?
My princess, stop crying. But I warned you, you did not listen to me. I told you all these things, but you did not listen to me. Stop crying. This thing is pure wickedness. Your sister knows, Amara knows that that man is your man, but she shamelessly went for him. Zuki, stop crying. Stop crying. Sorry. Chitachi, will you shut up?
Sorry. What are you even doing here? Who invited you here?
Are we here to console her or are we here to quarrel? Nena, I know your loyalty lies with Princess Amara, but for once in a lifetime, do yourself the honor by saying the truth. If you say something that is true, say it. You will not die. Do God the honor and say the truth. You will not. It doesn't take something to say the truth. At what cost?
Sorry. Don't you know you're making matter worse?
Okay, you're helping her. You do not even come with hand fan. Sorry, my princess. Sorry.
Go down. Go down. My king. No one messes with my princess. By the time I am done with you, a dead man will be better than you. Strip him off and lock him up.
Get up!
Get up!
He's the handbook of the devil! The devil! The devil! Don't prove myself!
Lock him up!
Prove myself! But my king! It's my king, please! My king!
Are you so desperate for love and attention that you had to bring in that thing, that low life, into this family? What is your problem? I know you felt you were so unlovable, or should I say that you were surprised that someone found you attractive when you know you're not?
I'm really sorry for you. I don't blame you, you're just a fool.
I see. As usual, that's all what you can do every time. Run! Coward, keep running! Run and never return. Rubbish! Silly! Make sure you don't come back here, because if you come back here, this house will be too hot for you to handle. Nonsense.
Princess, she's your twin sister. Why will you just let her just leave like that? What if she doesn't come back?
Nena,
Are you stupid? And how is that your business? Get out!
You are happy now, right? You are happy. If anything happens to Adugo, if anything happens to your sister, I will not forgive you.
As usual, it's always about Adugo, Adugo, Adugo. What have I ever done? All I've ever done was to keep her safe and care for her. But what did I get in return? Even when she's at fault, you side her. God knows I'm leaving this house. I can't even stand this.
Come back here!
At least you'll be happy when I'm gone. You'll be happy when I'm gone.
I'm gonna come back here. Now, listen to me. If you like, disappear or stay. Go and look for your sister. That's all. Did you see her?
You know Amara. She's stubborn to a fault. She won't take you serious until you take her. Tell the guards to lock her up and punish her. Only then she will realize that you are not playing. Everyone is looking for Adugo. And you were not taking your calls. I needed to know if you know where she could be.
Maybe she's dead.
Dead? Why would you say that?
Because she's not here. She's not at the palace. This is the only place she comes when she's down. But she's not here. That means she's dead.
Are you sure she's not with that useless man, Onyebuchi? Are you sure? Have you checked?
Onyebuchi is in prison. She can't possibly be with him.
Oh, I forgot. Ekoshibi. Listen, Chetachi. You need to find her. We need to find her before anyone else do. I need to get to her before anyone else does. You know what that means? You know what it could be for us, right?
Are you mad? Do you want to die? Hey? What's your problem? What is the problem?
Are you okay? I'm sorry I shouted at you.
What kind of problem is this now? Eh? Tell me where you live or you come down for my car. Eh? I don't want problems. Eh? Hey, God. Oh. See, listen, I'm not from this village, okay? I came here for business purpose. Eh? Why did you, what did you want? You want to put me in problem? Hello? Can you hear me? What kind of problem is this now? I don't want problem. I was just driving. What's all this problem? Do you have a phone, please? Let's call your family member because I don't know what is going on. Talk to me now. Are you a spirit? I'm talking to you. What did you want? I've been honking there. You did not even listen to me. What kind of problem is this now? Eh? Hello, guy, how far?
Guy, how far? I see the drive. Waiting soap, I beg. I did road. This one at night, I beg. No, let me get accident.
Oh my God, I don't know the kind of problem when I enter. I just did drive, they go. I want to get just stand for my front. I the horn, she know they come off for road. Hey, as I won't go confront and she just fall for ground. I can't enter my motor now. They ask some questions. She know they answer me. I don't know whether na spirit I don't go carry you.
Don't tell me say you don't buy person daughter. Oh.
Which can't talk with that one. And she know that she dey here, but she know they talk. I don't ask them making give me a family member number now I call. But she know they say anything.
Which can't give you this one now? So where una dey now? So why they go? Wetin happen?
Oh. What is the problem?
Hello? Hello?
Give me my phone now. Why did you collect my phone from me?
You see, Adugo is your only siblings. It should be you two against the world, not this.
Father, but you know I have tried. I have tried to bring Adugo close. But she keeps acting like I am the cause of her scarred face.
What you don't understand is that your sister is like a wounded soldier that cannot return back to the battlefield because he is incapable of fighting. You see, when it happens, it breaks the soldier and they lose the sense of living.
Father, nobody is capable of helping the soldier return to the battlefield. I have tried my best.
There is something we could have done for her, but we failed her. At least would have made her to know that life is worth living without being perfect. We failed her. You need to do something to help her heal, please. Please, my princess.
The crown feels heavy on a heart so torn. Dreams once golden, bruised and worn.
Hey, wake up. Hey. Jesus. Jesus. What have I gotten myself into? Are you okay? Hey. Hello? What problem is this now? Hello? Hi. Are you okay? Jesus! 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 God, this was a dream. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus.
You mean to tell me that girl is still in your room?
Bro, I don't know what to do. If I force her out, she might end up killing herself. I just want to make sure she's fine before letting her go.
What if something bad happens to this girl? She's a total stranger.
God forbid. I wish I can talk with this now. Eh? Bro, I tire.
Please, find a way to take her out of this place. It's not safe for you. Try and locate her people.
Guy, I'm weak. I'm so confused. You know, she refused to eat. She doesn't even talk to me. How? I don't even know what to do. Her eyes are filled with empty stares. I just feel she has gone through a lot. I don't even know what to do anymore, my brother.
You are not a nanny now. Are you a caregiver? What are you even saying? Take this girl out of this room.
To where? She doesn't. Oh, my brother, I'm just tired. I beg, bro.
Goodness gracious!
What is it? Chika, do you know her?
No, he doesn't, and I don't know him. Who is he? Where did you get him from? Who is this person?
Chika is my friend. He's the reason I'm in this town.
Do you remember the princess I went to settle down with? That I told you she turned down my proposal.
The one you can't stop thinking about?
That information isn't necessary right now. That's her twin sister.
That's not true. I'm nobody's twin. I don't know him. I don't know what he's talking about. Who is he? I thought I told you not to bring anybody into this room.
This is not... You mean she's a princess?
No!
Yes, she's a princess!
No, I'm not!
She's royalty! She's a twin sister.
Where did you get this person from? That's not
bro.
true.
Are you sure of what you're...
Have I ever lied to you?
The crown feels heavy on a heart so torn. Dreams once golden, bruised and worn. Silence echoes in the palace halls, standing alone. In the throne of tears, there is a flame. Through all the pain, there's a rise.
Iforoge, I'm talking to you now. You see you? Do you know that you're very evil? Like, you are an evil person. And you will surely rot in hell. Hope you know that.
But you know you're mad. Because if you're not mad, why will you block my path?
See, listen, let me tell you. Princess Amara told me everything that you fed her with. And you and I know that they are all lies. How could you do such a thing? What is your mission exactly?
My kind advice to you. If you want to see tomorrow, stay off this matter because it's bigger than you.
I see. But you see all your evil plans, it will fail. I will make sure that everything that you're planning fails. And this family, everybody will see you for who you truly are. Trust me, you will pay for all the havoc that you've wreaked in this palace. Evil, you know.
Chika, is everything okay?
Yes, everything is okay.
So, why are you requesting to see my father? I already told you. Father, what are you doing here? I told you that the king is not feeling fine. Dad, can you just go back? I'll handle it.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Which is my son. How are you?
I'm doing okay, Your Highness.
What is this about, please?
I know about Adugo's whereabouts.
What?
What?
You never told me about this.
Where is she?
I'm sorry I didn't say a word. It was not in my position to say. She chose to keep it a secret. Not until I told her about the king's illness.
Please, where is she? I want to see her at once.
How would she do this to us?
Amara! Amara, stop there! What is it? You're not going anywhere. She has to learn that she can't just get away with this attitude. She used to running away and she knew that we were going to search for her. It's becoming a habit.
Mom, why don't you ever behave like a mother?
What?
I mean, take a look at everything going on. And all you've been trying to do is pitch I and my twin sister against each other. What is your problem?
Amara, how could you say that? Why would you speak about your mother like that? I know I'm not perfect. But all I have done is to look out for both of you.
Mom, look, honestly, I know you're trying your best.
Fine, if you must go, just tell me where she is. Let me see her first. Let me talk senses into her. Then you can go and see her. Please. Please.
Mom, I'm coming. Okay? Right here.
What have you been hiding? No, I'm not giving it to you. No way.
Give me.
Oh my God, you didn't tell me about this one. Who is this?
It's just my friend now.
Your friend, just a friend, yes. And you both have been... Wait, what?
Let me see what you... Okay, let me see.
This one?
This is my secondary school friend, yes.
Why do you still have this picture?
We're just there.
No, you didn't say... Are you expecting someone?
I am my friend Chika.
Just okay.
Give me a minute.
Hey, Chika. Where is he? Hi. What? Why? What is she doing here?
Adogo, please, Adogo, please. Please, just calm down. She cajoled me to bring her down here. Please, just calm down, please.
I told you that I didn't want to see anyone. Why would you let her inside?
I beg you, please, just calm down, please. Hear her out,
Adugo. Adugo, please, I beg for your forgiveness. Honestly, I'm so sorry. Please, forgive me for the years you had to fight alone. The trauma. I'm so sorry I never felt your pain. Please, Adugo, I beg you in the name of God to forgive me. I just want us to go back to the way we were. I just want you back. I missed you so much. Please. I just want to be left alone. Just go away.
Babe, I know you're hot. But please, you have to forgive her. She's your twin sister. Please, my love.
The crown feels heavy on a heart so torn. Dreams once golden, bruised and worn.
I'm so sorry, okay?
Silence echoes in the palace halls, standing alone. In the throne of tears, there is a flame. Through all the pain, there's a rising. Bruised the soul and broke the.
Father, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Okay.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings, Your Highness.
How are you?
Fine.
Shikan and his friend, sit down. Princess Adugo,
Father.
I thank the gods that you are saved. I would not have forgiven myself.
How is your health, Father?
I was not sick. I was only heartbroken. But now that I'm seeing you, I'm alright. I'm okay. I'm fine.
Your father almost gave me a heart attack.
Ugonaya and his friend, you are welcome.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Oh my God, that's very funny. Well, I'll keep that in mind.
Every sorrow and every vow becomes the.
Why are you staring at me like that?
I'll miss you so much.
You will miss me. I'm sure you can't wait to get rid of me.
Listen, Adugo. That was at first. I wish for you not to leave. I want to take you far away, just you and I.
What do you mean?
I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Well, I miss you too, but not very much, so don't be happy. I mean, you can't wait to get rid of me, right? And you have been giving me problems.
I've been giving you problems, but you love my problems. You love the problems that I give to you. Listen, Adugo, I mean every single word that I say to you. If you would agree, I would love to compare your diary. We could relocate and start a new life together. Why are you laughing?
Where do you think you are? Is this a movie? What are you doing? Is this a proposal? Because if this is it, this is not how to propose to me.
Fine, I understand, but I promise you, I am coming with a premium proposal. I just want to let you know my intentions and how I want my life with you. Please, I want us to relocate and start a new life together. Please.
So you want to fold your hands and watch those riffraff take away the throne from me the same way your sister took from you. Right?
Have you gone mad?
Oh, you want to see madness? No, you want to see madness? What have I not done for you? I did everything you asked me to do. What did you do? Nothing. You were a disgrace. You were a liar. A pathetic liar.
How dare you talk to me like that? Have you lost it? I'm asking you. Are you going crazy? What has come over you?
You. I wish you were the one dead, not your sister.
You wish what? You wish what? You wish what?
Woman, speak this moment. Or do you want me to summon the chief priest to use the ancient ritual for truth and lies? Of course, you know the consequences for disobedience. You know it. Don't think I will ever forget my roots and the traditions that governs this kingdom. Speak this moment. Speak this minute.
My king, no need for that. I'm here, I will speak. My king, she's not your wife. And she's not Adugo's and Amara's mother. Yes, she's an imposter. If you think I'm lying, she should talk now. Am I lying? My king, I think you should bring the deity of truth and lies. That time we'll know who is lying. Talk now.
Speak now.
She's right. I am not their mother. Chetachi here is my biological daughter. I had her out of wedlock and hid her from everybody, except my late sister, your wife.
Wait, I need to understand something. Firstly, Chetachi said that you are not our mother, and now you're saying Chetachi is your only biological daughter. I don't understand what is going on here.
Woman, what are you talking about? What happens to my wife? And how did you take her place? What? Talk now before I mad you, I will strike you dead.
You remember when your wife asked you to come stay with me when she was 6 months pregnant with the twins?
Yes, go on.
She died. She died after childbirth. I framed my own death. I took the twins and came back to the palace in place of her. I was scared. I was scared that you were going to remarry and someone else would take over my father's throne. I was just trying to protect my late father's throne. I framed my death because we were identical twins. We were identical twins, just like two of them. That's why you didn't notice.
Woman, I knew something was wrong. But everyone keep telling me to calm down. Calm down. That it is because of the childbirth. Little did I know it's because of your wickedness. I could not even mourn my lovely wife because of your wickedness.
All these years, I've always questioned myself why our mother will hate us. Why she would always plant a seed of discord among my twin sister and I, and now this is all clear.
I never for one day think about hating the two of you. I never did. I just wanted my biological daughter to take over the throne. I was supposed to be the queen. But because of my stubbornness, my father took my birthright and gave it to my twin sister. I was just trying to fight for what belongs to me. Is it too much to ask for? Huh? Is it? Did I do anything wrong? I'm asking.
Ask yourself.
As usual, her plans failed. Not until that day the twins came out to play and Adugo was with the teddy bear.
I doesn't know where to find them. Leave them alone. Now come back home. Walking themselves behind them. Whoa! I've seen our teddy. I've seen our teddy bear. Adugo! Adugo! Adugo, I've seen our teddy bear. Come. My face is hot. Please help me. Mommy, somebody to help me, please. Please, my face is hot, please. Mommy.
It was you. She was that woman. She's the one that planted. It was you. You planted that acidic substance in my teddy. It was you. Why did you turn me into a monster? Oh my God.
My king, I've said the truth now. I can go because I'm not the traitor. She's the one.
Will you shut up? Guards! Take them away until I know what to do with them.
It's not me that lied now.
Out! Move.
Talk now. It's not me.
Will you shut up?
I'm the one that poor sin. I'm not the one.
Stop there. You imposter. You're not worthy to be a mother, nor a queen. You are a monster, and you will regret every bit of this action. Let me bring these things out. Guys, push her away. Push her
now.
Move. Come here, take this one. Move.
They say you should push your queen.
Move. Lock them up. Move it.
So all this have been happening. I will never lose.
It's
a secret.
Adugo, when I think about you, I don't just see how beautiful you are. You're my safe haven. You give me peace of mind. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Every moment we spend together is a proof that I do not need perfection, but just you by my side.
You're teasing me with your words, and it makes me feel beautiful. I actually like your sweet nothings, but it would never change the fact that I have this scarred face. Tell me, is this what you truly want to end up with? Is this what you want? You need to think this through because there are so many beautiful maidens,
right? Adugo, do you have a mirror? Okay. I want you to look into the mirror to see what a beautiful creature you are. Adugo, you're my solace. I can't imagine my life without you. Adugo, I want you to be the mother of my unborn kids. I love you so much.
And I love you too.
Oh my goodness, am I in love of one?
Come here, babe, listen. Where's
Father.
Your Highness?
Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings, Father.
We have two weddings to plan here.
Thank you,
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Waiting this one, he talk. We say happy ever after. Ta! Happy ever after for where? For this matter. Where me? Only Baba never win. Now they talk happy ever after. They go do. For this matter, I go clear you and that your boo sister. Me, only Baba, and I might go touch ground. I can tell you this story how it go be. It go be happy never after. You better go ask question. No. Go not go ask about me. Mbachu banku. You go no say I never start. Rubbish. Imani Zim. Hey, what's up? Yeah, Fiona, see, what is going to happen, You just let me come and pick you up from the airport. No mates. Oh, come on, baby girl. Just allow me to serve you. I'm at your service, for real. It's not a problem. In fact, the reason why I fell in love with you is because you have no legs, so I want to serve. So listen, I was a nurse for 6 years. Trust me. So I know how to take care of people. Baby, I will take care of you. I will lift you up. I will take you to the bathroom. I will bathe you. I'll fix your meal. I will do every of this single thing for you to tell you how much I'm in love with you. Your dad? I know, no, trust me, I'm not ready to speak with him now. See, your dad was one of the best governors I admire in this country. Like, I love the fact that he did so much work for my state. So you see? Sorry, hold on, baby. Kunle, what is he saying? I should take that to what? I should take the document to the president tomorrow. No, that's not even possible now. I have an appointment tomorrow. Sorry, baby. Someone was trying to tell me to take a document to the president tomorrow. So I just told him that I have an appointment. Okay, what's going to happen, yeah? You just give me 5 minutes and I'll get back to you. All right, baby. Love you so much. I love you to the moon and back. Mwah, 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 mwah. All right, all right. Baby, I only love you. I your crippled man I will love now, and I never say anything now. I tell you now, when you never finish this story, now me go rewrite every goddamn thing. Nobody they use me play. What do you want?
Becomes the glory, oh, the glory, oh, the glory, through every pain, through every doubt, it becomes the glory. Crown feels heavy on a heart so torn. Dreams once golden, bruised and worn. Silence echoes in the palace halls, standing alone. In the throne of tears there is a flame. Through all the pain there's a rising. Bruised the soul and broke the winds, but still there is hope. When shadows bow before the light, fight. Every sorrow and every fall becomes the glory.